Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best Serger for beginners of 2025 handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Brother ST4030 1 HD Heavy Duty Serger Machine. The Brother ST4030 1 HD Heavy Duty Serger is built to handle your most demanding sewing projects. Featuring a sturdy metal frame and high-durability carbon steel blade, it delivers smooth, professional quality cuts and finishes every time. With a lightning-fast sewing speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute, this 3 to 4 thread serger boosts your productivity without sacrificing precision. User-friendly color-coded thread guides and numbered loopers simplify threading, making it accessible for all skill levels. The package includes 3 essential accessory feet, standard, blind stitch, and gathering, as well as a large extension table to accommodate bigger projects. Designed for U.S. customers, this corded electric serger operates at 120 volts. Perfect for anyone seeking strength, speed, and professional results in one reliable machine. Number 2. Brother Air 1800 Serger Machine. The Brother Air 1800 Serger revolutionizes your sewing with innovative air threading technology. Just press a button, and a blast of air threads the loopers effortlessly, making color changes quick and simple. This versatile machine handles 2, 3, or 4 threads simultaneously with color-coded guides to keep you organized. Perfect for challenging fabrics like fine knits and stretchy materials, it delivers professional quality flat lock, overlock, and rolled hem stitches. The brightly lit work area enhances visibility, especially on dark fabrics, reducing eye strain. With a sleek white plastic body and lightweight design, the Air 1800 is user-friendly and built for precision. Designed exclusively for the U.S. market at 120 volts, this electric serger makes finishing garments easier and faster, helping you achieve polished, professional results every time. Number 3. Lumina Sienna Serger Sewing Machine. The Lumina Sienna Serger is a powerful and portable sewing machine designed for both beginners and advanced users. With a sturdy metal frame, it delivers heavy-duty performance at up to 1,250 stitches per minute, perfect for professional quality edges, hems, and seams. The serger supports both 3 and 4 thread overlocking and features an adjustable stitch length for versatile sewing projects. Its user-friendly, color-coded threading system simplifies setup, and the machine comes factory threaded for hassle-free use. Equipped with a bright LED light and automatic fabric trimming, it ensures precise, clean finishes every time. Compact yet durable, the Lumina Sienna is ideal for adults seeking reliable, long-lasting performance. Designed for use with high-quality polyester thread, this semi-industrial serger provides exceptional results for all your sewing needs. Number 4. Marger Professional Serger Sewing Machine. The Marger 2025 Serger Sewing Machine is a professional-grade overlocker designed for precision, speed, and durability. Capable of up to 1,250 stitches per minute, it handles lock stitching, trimming, and seam finishing with ease. Its differential feeding system prevents puckering and stretching on delicate or elastic fabrics, making it ideal for cotton, denim, knits, and more. The sturdy metal frame ensures stable, long-lasting performance, even during high-speed, intensive use. User-friendly features include a quick, color-coded threading system, vibration-damping base, and LED lighting to reduce eye strain. Beginners will appreciate the included operating guide and accessories. Perfect for apparel, home textiles, and sports gear projects, this serger combines professional quality with easy operation. Backed by responsive after-sales support, the Marger Serger is your reliable sewing partner. Number 5. Singer S0100 Serger Sewing Machine. The Singer S0100 Serger Sewing Machine offers versatile stitching with 2, 3, or 4 thread options, perfect for creating professional seams, hems, and decorative edges on a variety of fabrics, from delicate sheers to stretchy knits and fleece. Boasting a high-speed sewing rate of 1,300 stitches per minute, it sews and trims fabric simultaneously for fast, precise results. The adjustable differential feed ensures smooth, even stitches by preventing puckering or stretching. Setup is simple with a color-coded threading system and clear guides. The built-in free arm allows easy sewing of sleeves, cuffs, and other hard-to-reach areas. customize stitch length, and width to suit your project. Included accessories are neatly stored in the front compartment, making this serger ideal for beginners and professionals alike.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.